Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki and guess what? It's my birthday today. Yep, I am 35 years old today as of the recording of this video, which is September 3rd. And I have a special box that was delivered for my birthday. Do you guys want to see what it is? My Stitch Fix came, yay! I'm so excited. So this is like my birthday fix. So I thought that I would record and share with you like I usually do. And if you aren't already subscribed, I just want to take this reminder, if you want to give me a birthday present, you can go and click that red subscribe button down below and also give this video a big thumbs up, and hopefully you'll stick around to see what kind of great items I got today. Okay, if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, just real quick, Stitch Fix is a styling service. You create a style profile and you are assigned a personal stylist that will send you 5 items based on either a request that you have or based on your profile, and you will send back anything that you don't like, and you will keep anything that you do. It's a $20 styling fee. That styling fee does go directly towards any purchases as a credit for you. If you decide not to buy anything, they do usually keep the $20. I do have a style pass, which means that I don't pay a $20 styling fee. They offer it randomly. So you pay $49 and that automatically becomes a credit. I've already used it, but I can get as many fixes as I want for the rest of the year without paying a styling fee, which is kind of nice. I have been really happy with Stitch Fix lately. They have been killing it with the boxes. So I'm really excited. I didn't give any requests this time. At least I don't think I did. I may have asked for maybe some workout shoes, which I can see that I have a shoe bag here. So I asked for some sneakers, but otherwise I said to surprise me. So let's see what they have here for me. So when you open up the box, you're gonna see this. They do give you a return envelope that you will give to the post office or the mailman here, anything that you decide not to keep. And it is already pre-labeled here for you too. You will also get this little envelope. Inside the envelope, you will get ideas for your outfits here, and you will also get a letter from your stylist, which I'll read here in a minute. You will also get a paper here that lists all the items that are in the fix, and it gives you a breakdown of the prices. If you decide to keep everything, you do get a 25% discount on everything. If you don't, then you don't get the 25%. And then so it'll give you your total with the 25% off and without. Okay, so Elise is my stylist again. She has been doing amazing. Her letter to me reads this: "Greetings, Nikki. How is your August going? Also, can you even believe it's almost September already?" Well, I got this in September, so I can believe it. "I hope this fix finds you well and brings you some joy to your week. I got your request for some workout shoes with a thick heel." I actually said without a thick heel, but that's okay. "So I found these lace-up sneakers by New Balance Footwear for you. These definitely have that padded footbed you were asking for and are good for working out or just part of an athleisure or comfy look. For a dressier vibe, wear this navy jumpsuit by Market and Spruce with wedge heels and some bold jewelry for a night out or special occasion. Lastly, look for an everyday look. Try wearing this floral tank by PAPERMOON with your favorite jeans and sandals. What would you like to see in your upcoming fix? Best, Elise." All right, so looking in here is, looks like the 4 things of clothes here. Looks like there might be some fall items in here for us transitioning into fall. So, but before I dig into this, there is also a shoe bag, which I assume are the workout shoes, so let's check these out. Okay, so these are New Balance. I do like New Balance. Here's that thick sole. I actually don't like them to be super thick, because they just look really bulky to me. But these are, it looks like New Balance Fuel Cell 890, and they have this, it's black with this peach kind of coloring on it. I'll pull out the other ones. I wear a size 9, and I believe these are a size 9. Let me go and check it out. So this is New Balance Footwear Fuel Cell 890 lace-ups. They're in black, size 9. These are $120. Kind of pricey. I mean, I don't mind investing in a great shoe, but I don't know about New Balance being what I'm going to invest in. I do like New Balance, but not $120 worth. So we'll see how they feel though. All right, let's crack open this bad boy here. Okay, so on top, I have this striped tank here, spaghetti strap. It comes with that little cross body back here. And this is from Mix by 4T Hawthorne? By Hawthorne. Okay, so it looks like white, pink, and red are the stripes here. Looks like a really soft cotton blend material. Looks like a great end of summer piece here. You can probably match this with a jean jacket or a blazer. So this is cute and really soft. Okay, they are saying that this is from PAPERMOON, and it says a Basima back detail knit top, and it's in the size medium, and it's for $30. Okay, next is this really pretty olive with kind of burgundy floral tank top. It looks like it might be a little big. This is a medium. I probably should update my sizes because I feel like lately the mediums have been kind of getting big on me. But this is also from PAPERMOON. It is a very thin, light material. Might be a little see-through, but we'll see. If so, you might need to, if you end up getting this, you might need to wear a cami if you don't want anything else showing here. And it's just a really light, pretty material. I'll get up close so you could see the floral design here. Very fall look. I'm really into this actually. I love the back here. And we'll check it out. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. This is also from PAPERMOON, Ampton sleeveless back detail in dark green, and that retails for $34. Okay, this looks like, oh, this must be the little, I don't know if it's a pantsuit that she was talking to me about. It is navy blue. Let me put this down so I can really show you here. I love this little wavy top here. Look at the back. It is a button with a little peekaboo here. And let me bring this up here. So all the way down, looks like it's a little wrinkled. So have to probably ensure some care on this. This looks like it might be hand wash only, which I'm not a fan of. But I absolutely adore this pantsuit. I don't have one. Oh, it comes with pockets. What girl wouldn't want that? So I am so excited to try this because I don't have any like rompers or pantsuits like this. So I'm really excited. Let's see what they say this is. Okay, so this is from Market and Spruce. This is a Chandel scallop detail pantsuit in navy, and this retails for $74. Finally, there are these Just Black shorts. I just got some Just Black shorts from them. I don't know if it was this past fix or the one before, but looks like they added in some more. I really like Just Black. I think I have do I have two pairs of pants from them? I can't remember, but these are in the size 29, which if you convert it, goes to about a size 8. They have this just a short little cuff here. I kind of like this. Really like this material. Hopefully they're not too short though. I mean, I like shorts, but I just don't like them to be showing the bottoms of my butt cheek. I'm a little bit too old for that, as my birthday today tells you. And these are the Lorenda shorts. Again, in indigo, size 8. Here are the backs, if you need to see them. And Stitch Fix says these retail for $58. Okay, so let's get to the try on and see what is a keeper and what is not a keeper. Okay, everybody, hopefully you can hear me and it's not too echoey. This is that Market and Spruce black or navy jumpsuit, and let me tell you, I absolutely love this. I'm just gonna say, this is so comfortable, so light. I'll step back so you can see. It falls to right above or right on top of my feet. I honestly don't even think I need wedges with this. Some flip-flops would be cute enough. Sorry, I'm out of breath here because I was going upstairs to check it out. It's very flattering on the bottom. I love these pockets. Let me get down so you can see the top. I love this here in the back. You can see it is a peekaboo right here, and that's the snaps. I am in love with this. Like I said, I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe, and this is so flattering. I can't even tell you how much I love this. What do you guys think? Let me know. Okay, everybody. First, I'll go over the New Balance. I have these New Balance shoes. I don't find anything particularly fascinating about them, especially for being $120. I am wearing the Just Black denim shorts, and I'm paired it with the, I believe this is PAPERMOON, the striped tank here. You can see the back to this. And I am wearing it with a strapless bra because when I first put it on, you can see through. So I'm gonna get up close so you can see the detailing on this. You can see the straps right here. And here are the shorts. They are not too short, they're perfect length. They are so comfortable. I love Just Black shorts, but I'm gonna have to say I already have so many denim shorts already, and we're transitioning into fall. I honestly just don't think I need another pair of blue denim shorts. I probably have 6 or 7 already. This tank is very light, very soft, very comfortable. It's very flowy. I easily could size down if I wanted to, but I think this medium is fine. Yeah, just really comfortable, and I think it's really cute. I think this is a really cute outfit. So right now it's about 100 degrees outside, so I could definitely wear this as early as today. So let me just try on the last shirt, and then that's it. Okay, so the final outfit is the Just Black shorts, which I already talked about, with this PAPERMOON olive colored floral print tank. And get up a little upper closer with it. I love the print on this. Here's the back here for you. I'll get a little closer. There's the back. It's very flowy. If I decide to keep this, I think I'm gonna size down because I think it's a little bit too, I have a little bit too much space in here, but it's very comfortable, very flowy. I'm really happy with this fix. I feel like they really spoke to me. So why don't you let me know what you like on me and what you don't like? What would you keep if you were me? And I'll be right back, and I will let you guys know what I decide to keep and what not to keep. Okay guys, what did you think? I am super happy with this fix, especially after the trunk club I had a couple days ago, which was a debacle. I'll put a link for it right here or right here, wherever the card comes up, and you can check that out if you want to compare Stitch Fix to Trunk Club. So let's go through, first of all, what I have decided not to keep, because I'm not going to do the 5 out of 5, but I am going to keep a couple items. So let's go with what I'm definitely going to be returning. So first on the return list are these New Balance shoes. Basically they're $120, and I don't believe they're $120 quality, look. They're okay. If they were maybe about $30 to $40 cheaper, maybe. But so these New Balances are gonna go bye-bye. But I am glad that she put them in there and she listened to what I wanted. She knew that I wanted some workout shoes, so she did put those in there. Next to be returned is this Just Black denim, blue denim shorts. Like I said, I already have about 5 or 6 pairs of blue denim shorts that look a lot like this already. We're going into fall, so I really don't need another pair of shorts. So these are going back. Also going back is this PAPERMOON olive and floral print tank top here. It was really cute. I liked it, but it was a little too flowy for me. I didn't get the love out of it. I liked it. I didn't love it. So I'm trying to keep things only that I love. So this one is gonna go back. Okay, that means I have 2 keepers. So we are gonna go with this. It says PAPERMOON on the sheet here, but this is Mix 41 tank top here. I just feel like I can still use this kind of for fall by pairing a jean jacket over it or something like that. I thought it was really cute. It's also super comfortable, so I could just even wear this around the house. And I thought it was a pretty decent price point. So this one stays. And finally, the best item out of the fix, and something I never thought that I would have in my wardrobe, is this pantsuit right here by Market and Spruce. And I just loved this. It was just so flattering. It was so cute. I loved the pockets. I'm not huge, usually with one pieces, I try not to do those, only because, you know, trying to go to the bathroom, you have to unbutton it, you have to pull it down, you know, for us girls, it's just not fun when it happens like that. So, but you know what? I'll just make sure I go to the bathroom and don't drink a crazy amount of coffee before I put this thing on, because I am just all about this jumpsuit. Not jumpsuit. Is it a jumpsuit or is it a pantsuit? I don't know. Let me know if I'm saying it right in the comments down below. But I loved the detail of the neckline. It was so pretty. I definitely cannot wait to wear this. Okay, so pricing. If I would have picked everything to keep, the subtotal before a 25% discount would have been $316. If I bought it all, it would have taken off $79. So the order total would have been $237, and the shipping is free. So $237 would have been my total. So I decided to keep the jumpsuit at $74, and then the shirt for $30. So $104 total for the 2 items. Not bad considering I got that super high quality pantsuit, jumpsuit, whatever it's called. So I am really pleased again with Stitch Fix. So I think I'm going to keep doing monthly boxes. If they keep doing it so well, why not, right? If you're interested in trying Stitch Fix, I'm going to leave a referral code down below. I hope that you will consider clicking this. You will get a credit and I will get a credit as well. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me today in my Stitch Fix unboxing. I hope to see you guys again next time, and I hope I definitely will if you clicked that red subscribe button and gave it a thumbs up before you left. And I will talk to you guys again next time. Stay safe, everybody. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.